In this video, I'm going to show you 9 powerful reasons why drinking lemon water every day is one of the best things you can do for your health. Now, I know some of you are thinking, who cares? It's just water with lemon in it. But trust me, when you see all the amazing things that come from drinking this concoction every day, you'll be hooked too. And if you watch till the end, I will share with you the most common side effect of drinking lemon water every day and how to prevent it from happening to you. Let's begin. Because they are citrus fruits, lemons contain a lot of vitamin C. According to a board-certified renal nutritionist, drinking water with an ounce of lemon juice can supply 13% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Additionally, it contains trace levels of folate, thiamine, potassium, and vitamin B6. Number 1. It keeps your hunger in check. According to nutritionists, lemon water's blood sugar regulating pectin, a form of soluble fiber, and hydrating magic can reduce hunger spikes. If you're still hungry after your meal, combine 1 cup of warm water with the juice from half a lemon and a small amount of lemon zest, if the lemon is organic. Feel free to add a small amount of honey for a sweeter taste. Number 2. It increases your energy. Lemon's energizing properties come from 2 different kinds of vitamins. Their vitamin C content boosts iron absorption, which is beneficial because too little iron might make you tired. The vitamin B complex found in lemons helps with energy production as well. Try mixing 1 lemon that has been cut into slices, including the peel. Add some water if necessary, then freeze in ice cube trays. Toss into water for a fast pick-me-up, or into a smoothie with celery and kale, which is high in iron. Number 3. It keeps your cells healthy. Strong antioxidants, like vitamin C, prevent cell damage that builds up over time and may even play a role in conditions like cancer and heart disease. Diets high in fruits and vegetables are known to be connected with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and cancer, as well as enhanced longevity. Consuming vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamin-rich lemon water as a complement to a diet high in other fruits and vegetables can be helpful for disease prevention. Number 4. It encourages healthy skin. Lemon water's vitamin C content may aid your pursuit of clear skin. According to nutritionists, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that could assist in reducing fine wrinkles and enhancing the overall appearance of the skin. It's hardly a miracle treatment though, so don't only use lemon water to treat your skin. Using sunscreen, combined with eating foods high in vitamin C, such as potatoes, bell peppers, strawberries, and citrus fruits, can help prevent damage from free radicals that degrade the appearance of the skin. Number 5. It prevents bloating. Lemon water may improve digestion and reduce bloating. Drinking lemon water to stay hydrated may aid with bowel motility and regularity so you feel less bloated. Lemon water is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate sodium levels and may help lessen any bloating brought on by salt. Number 6. It promotes weight loss. According to research, maintaining hydration is essential for any weight loss journey for a variety of factors associated to healthy physical performance. Peak hydration levels encourage the metabolism, increase the benefits of exercise, and enable the brain to react to hunger cues more effectively. To help you reach your daily hydration goals, try starting your day off with a full 8-ounce glass of lemon water. Number 7. It assists in preventing kidney stones. According to studies, lemon lowers your risk of developing kidney stones because it increases citrate concentration, which prevents calcium from crystallizing and causing stones to form. People who are at risk for kidney stones should try to stay hydrated by drinking 3 to 4 liters of water per day. A gallon of plain water might become monotonous, so adding lemon can be energizing, boost citrate levels, and aid in fluid intake. Number 8. Protects against oxidation. Lemons, like all fruit, contain phytonutrients that defend your body against illness. These phytonutrients have potent antioxidant effects that shield cells from oxidative stress, the same that causes rust. Number 9. Increases potassium levels. Without potassium, your body can't function properly. It is required for blood pressure management, the movement of nutrients and waste, and nerve-muscle communication. Potassium can be found in large amounts in fruits and vegetables. The juice from half a lemon contains 75 milligrams of potassium, which is 2.25% of the daily recommended dose for an adult. What happens if you consistently drink too much lemon water? Due to the acid in citrus fruits, drinking lemon water frequently can lead to tooth decay or erosion of the enamel. Heartburn, vomiting, and other gastric reflux symptoms can also result from drinking too much lemon water. But if you stick to 1 ounce of lemon juice per day, diluted in a glass of water, you should be fine. Do you drink lemon water in the morning? How does it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. We frequently upload interesting and helpful videos on how you can stay healthy and fit, the natural way. Make sure you check out this next video where you'll find out what happens when you drink cucumber juice or cucumber water every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.